Hey everybody, it's Shanna P and welcome to Techie Tuesday. It's been a while, or it's been a long time rather, since I had a video for Techie Tuesday and there's a mosquito flying around me. But yes, I was saying, my past video was actually my unboxing and review of an action camera. But this time, I'm going to be reviewing something that my geeky friends will be happy to know about. And this is the hairbrush straightener. Yes, you heard it right. It's a hairbrush slash straightener. It sounds pretty cool, right? And I am super excited to share this new discovery with you guys. And yeah, should we begin? Maybe we should. On a second thought, if you happen to like this look that I have for today, I actually have a product review slash demo or tutorial for this look. So go ahead and check out my other videos, or I'm just gonna put them down below in the description box. The contour is from MORPHE and the eye makeup is also from MORPHE. So I'll put the link in the description box. Anyway, going back to the main star of the show, this is the hairbrush straightener. I got this from Shopee and I stumbled upon this product by luck. So Shopee gave me a coupon code, or like a discount code, because it's my birth month. And I was like, what do I want to get from Shopee? And then I don't know how I came across with this, but I was just like window shopping, looking for something interesting and blah blah blah. And then I saw this hairbrush straightener and I was like, that's kind of genius. I picked the cheapest one. I got this for 540 pesos minus the discount coupon, the 40% discount coupon. So that's really affordable and it's free shipping. I did not really have high hopes for this product because it's really cheap, but you'll see if it works or not later on in this video. So this is the box and it has some information at the back. It says that straightener HQT whatever. And it shows you the instructions and how to use it, how to clean it, and it promises to give ultra smooth ceramic plates for effortless glide. And yeah, it has temperature adjustable. Oh, I'm blurred. Sorry. It has adjustable temperature. Focus. There we go. It has adjustable temperature. I think from 160 to 230. I've actually tried this product once, and oh boy. No, I'm not gonna spoil it to you, but yeah, anyways, so I'll give you a demo in this video. Let's open the box first, and basically this is how it looks like in your face. It's the hairbrush. Let me just zoom you in so you can see the product well. Basically, it looks like your regular comb, but with ceramic plates inside. Like there's like black plates inside, and this is the red rubber coating to protect you. It also has some rubber bristles around to protect you, because I think it is also a protective material. You have your cord, and then you have your buttons right here. Power button and plus and minus, so you can adjust the temperature, which will be displayed in here. There will be an LED indicator in here later on to tell you how hot your comb is. I guess we can proceed to the demo of this product. Basically, my experience the first time I used this, it actually took quite some time to heat up or to reach 220 to 230 degrees Celsius. So today for this video, we are gonna measure how long it would actually take for this hairbrush to reach 230 degrees Celsius, which is the maximum temperature for this hairbrush. So I'm just gonna plug it in, and I'm back. And also start my stopwatch. As you can see, so the time is starting, and the temperature is, I'm gonna increase it to 230. Now, just to give you an update, it's 163 Celsius, and it's been 1 minute and 30 seconds while waiting for it to increase or to reach 230. And you will see the secret to my hair. My god, a donut bun. Just remove that. Boing. Anyways, this is my hair after the bun. $2.29? to 30! Yay! So now it's at 230 degrees Celsius, and it took 4 minutes and 4 seconds to reach that temperature. So we're just gonna let that sit for a while I prepare my hair. The last time I did it, which is the first time I tried it too, I actually sectioned my hair into 2, because basically I think the main point of using a hairbrush straightener is to make your life easier. If you want to straighten your hair with an iron, you have to section it several, you have to make small sections of your hair and get small sections every time to straighten. Moving away from the camera, and we are here. So my hair type, my hair is actually naturally straight, but it has gone through a lot of chemical process. I've had my hair burned, I've had my hair colored several times in a year. So basically it's actually very frizzy, it's dry. So this is my natural hair when it's not styled or anything. Basically I will get sections like this. I realized that it's actually nicer if I brush it this way, because it will not be straight. It will have some kind of a body or slight curve or volume. So basically I'm just brushing my hair as usual, and then let's try to do that one more time. Just try to pass it a little bit slower, but you're still just brushing your hair. This is the first section done, and can you see the difference? And then let's go through the other sections. Oh, okay, I thought I pressed it off. That's one, maybe bad thing. Not really bad, but one thing that I would like them to improve is the buttons are here. So as you're holding the brush, you can accidentally turn off or change the adjustment of the brush because it's in the handle. So that's one thing to improve if ever a manufacturer is watching this video. And that's it. 2 passes and it's straight. Let me just go through all of this section once. And that's it. It's pretty amazing, right? So if you can see, it's like that, This is also pretty actually, but can you see it's so naturally straight. I like it. I'll do the rest of the bottom section. This product won't work because it kind of looks like those pakulo lang na products, parang hindi talaga siya nag-work. Oh, Tagalog na. But yeah, right now it's at 205 degrees and I'm pretty sure I set it to 230. So yeah, actually I noticed this the first time I used this as well. It doesn't really hold the temperature well. So yeah, you can if your hair really needs 230 degrees Celsius for it to be straightened, then you might want to take a few seconds of rest before sectioning or before doing one section after another for it to increase its temperature again. Right now I did 2 sections and now it's at 208 degrees Celsius and it's slowly going up, but that's fine because I'm going to bring down the top section of my hair. Super easy and it's effective. So you will see the difference, right? There's a difference. So I'm just gonna fast forward this video. I may have missed some sections at the back, so I'm just gonna comb through them real quick. Oh my god. Can you see? I can even do this with my eyes closed. Yeah, so I hope you are impressed with this product because I certainly am impressed with this product. And right now I'm just putting one of my recent hair oils This is Lux Oil from Wella Professionals. It's absolutely amazing, and it's If there are other products that you'd like me to test and try, feel free to write it down below in the comment box. And if you want to see videos like this, please let me know by clicking the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more from me, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram, that's @XanaP. And yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.